Don't make this mistake with your low back rehab. Jumping around between different prescriptions is a recipe for disaster and ineffective treatment. You wouldn't walk into a pharmacy and try a different medication every other day for a particular condition you're dealing with. But why do you do that with your rehab? What I mean is movement is just like medicine. You're scrolling on Instagram, scrolling on YouTube, trying a different exercise every other day, not sure how much to take of it. You're just taking however much you think. And when it hurts you, you say, oh, that's bad for me. When it doesn't do anything, you say, oh, it's worthless, and you move on to another one. However, this is not how low back rehab works. You need to identify the right movement first based on your condition, then have an accurate prescription designed for you based on that, and then stick with that prescription for a consistent period of time before determining if it's going to work for you or not, before you start progressing it or regressing it, or before you ditch it completely and move on to the next exercise. Stop prescription hopping. Pick an exercise, get the right prescription, stick with it. Don't just scroll through Instagram and pick a different exercise based on what you're feeling that day. That's never going to work, and it will not get you pain-free.